In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can very quickly and easily make it to where each slice in your pie chart has the same color. So first, we're going to make a pie chart by highlighting the range that I want to make the chart from and going to the Insert tab, go to Recommended Charts, click on All Charts, and from here you're going to click on Pie. As you can see, there are a few different variations of the pie chart, 3D pie chart, donut chart, even different pies or bar pie charts, but for this example, I'm just going to click on pie chart. Click OK. Now, by default, Excel will make it to where each slice has its own different color, but to make it to where it has the same color for formatting purposes, right-click on one of the slices, and then from here, you're going to want to click on Format Data Series. Now, from here, you're going to click on this little bucket icon on the left for fill and line, and you're going to see an option right here, vary colors by slice. And you're going to click on that box and uncheck it. And as you can see, by unchecking the box, the slices all become the same color. And then from here, you can even change the color, like by changing fill color right here, and then making them all green, for example, or a dark green. And even adjusting the transparency if you would like to do that for added effect. And from here, you can kind of adjust the formatting for more to really get it to where you want it to be. So for example, you can even right click on one of the bars and then click on fill and adjust the fill color here. Or you can adjust the outline and maybe just say a dark outline with no fill, for example. And now you have a pie chart with just the borders and a thick line, for example. Or you can have it be a green fill with some different borders to kind of segment the slices as you see fit. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.